You want to invest? You've seen how it can build wealth. But there's one problem. You're not sure how to save enough money to even get started. Don't worry, you don't need to be rich and you don't need thousands of dollars up front. With the right habits, anyone can save for their very first investment. Welcome to Grow My Savings. In this video, you'll learn practical steps to save money for your first investment, how to track and cut spending leaks, how to make saving automatic, and how to build a strong foundation before you start investing. Before you invest, you need capital, and that starts with saving. Think of saving as planting the seed before your money can grow. Experts recommend building an emergency fund of at least 3 months of expenses before investing, so you won't be forced to pull money out too soon. Start by tracking every expense, even small things like coffee, snacks, or unused subscriptions. These little leaks add up. Cutting just $5 a day saves about $150 a month, or $1,500 a year, and that alone can give you enough to start investing in ETFs, index funds, or fractional shares. One of the best habits is to pay yourself first. Set aside a portion of your income right after payday before spending on anything else. Automating transfers into a separate savings account keeps the habit consistent and effortless. Don't let your cash just sit there. Use a high-yield savings account or another interest-bearing account so your money grows while you prepare for investing. High-interest debt, like credit cards, can cancel out your progress, so pay those off first. Then set clear savings goals. How much do you need for your first investment? How much can you save each month to get there? Even saving $1,000 is enough to launch your first portfolio. When you're ready, start with low-cost, beginner-friendly investments. Many ETFs and index funds have no minimum balance and low fees. As you build momentum, diversify your investments to match your risk tolerance and financial goals. What's the first thing you'd cut from your budget to save for investing? Coffee, streaming services, eating out? Share your answer in the comments. I'd love to hear your strategy. So, to recap, track your spending. Pay yourself first with automation. Use high-yield savings accounts. Build an emergency fund. Clear high-interest debt. And start with simple, accessible investments. Remember, saving for your first investment isn't about how much you make, but how consistently you save. Subscribe, hit the bell, and join us next time for the best first investments for beginners.